Welcome back to the channel, and I'm not even gonna waste your time. See, one of my followers requested that I do a My Hero Academia artwork, but the problem is I have done a lot of My Hero Academia characters from Shoto, Aizawa, Dabi, Bakugo, but somehow I have never done the #1 hero. That is disrespectful if you ask me. So today I'm gonna be drawing the one and only All Might.
I am here.
And you know I have to go above and beyond. Plus, so yeah, you already know what I'm gonna need. My tools, markers, pencil, ruler, paint, drawing book, that's all. And now that we have all our tools, let's get right into it. We're gonna start with the background. Okay, now we're done with the background and it's time for us to do our base layer. Like, we just gotta have to do that base layer before we start doing anything else. So yeah, let's do it. Now that we're done with the base layer, it's time for us to move on to the second layer. But before we do that, let me show you guys a surprise that I have for you guys. Just wait, let me open it real quick. Yeah, subscribe, motherfucker. I'm tired of you guys not subscribing, so do that. Subscribe, comment, like, so this channel can keep growing.
You've been bested, villains.
Okay, now the second layer is where things start to make sense. We're starting to add like a bit of form to the clothes, to the body, to the hair and everything. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do right now. Let's get to it. Alright guys, now we are done with the second layer and we're gonna do my favorite part, which is details. Like, now we gotta start adding details to the whole drawing to make sure that this drawing is looking plus ultra like it should, because this is the #1 hero, All Might. We gotta pay respect to the man. So yeah, I'm gonna need my marker, like the black one and the white one, and we start adding the details. Let's go beyond.
You can make me your scapegoat. You can call me a bastard if you like. I'll be locking up my door, and you can't walk inside this time. I'll be putting on my war paint. I have a will to stay alive, and now I'll be taking my leave. I will not lose more sleep tonight. Setting fire, fire to the house we built with cherry bomb.
Okay guys, now the drawing is finally complete and it's time to show you guys the result. So thank you for watching. I hope you liked, commented and subscribed, and see you guys on my next video. I hope you like this drawing. Bye.
You may have heard these words before.